Welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we explored BA Builder datasets for products. A deep dive into leveraging datasets like CRM products, product properties, and product property values to analyze and report on your product catalog effectively. We discussed how to blend product datasets and create insightful charts to drive your business performance. Today we shifting focusing to BA Builder datasets for leads. In this session, we will dive into lead related datasets such as CRM lead, customized fields, lead status history, etc. Analyzing lead performance indicators, blend datasets to combine standard and customized fields, create impactful charts to track and optimize your lead management process. If you are ready to explore the power of BA Builder for better lead insights and conversions, stay tuned. This session is packed with actionable tips. Let's get started. This is the user interface of BA Builder and click the new dashboard. After that, create the new dashboard. I have already created the new dashboard. The dashboard name is leads dashboard, that is empty dashboard. Click the edit button. If you want to create the data sets, let's go to datasets page. These are previous dataset pages, datasets, and in the right side corner dataset, you create. If you want create a new dataset, you can do it. Database name, schema, and the table name. I select CRM underscore lead. Let's understand what is the CRM underscore lead. BA Builder data sets for leads in a Bitrix CRM are designed to help you analyze various aspects of your business, include not only the leads, deals, and other key metrics. Each dataset automatically include both standard and customized fields. See this? This is the inbuilt, that means standardized fields. All three are standardized fields. Last one is a customized field. In this guide, we will focusing on datasets for leads, explain how to blend them, and demonstration how to create charts to track business performance. Available datasets for leads are CRM underscore lead, CRM underscore lead customized field, products and history statuses. Display products linked to leads include product quantity and the amount. Example, track which products are being added to the leads most frequently. I select CRM underscore lead. These are the fields, standardized fields. What fields are standardized fields in the lead page? That standardized fields are there in the CRM underscore lead dataset. This dataset already existed. So let's go to view dataset. and select what required fields, that means what required columns, and then automatically that row values displayed under the columns. I select 4 columns, click the create chart. See this source ID and the name, the values, addresses, responsible person, departments, and stage group IDs. This is the way to create the chart. Mention the chart name and then the chart is reflected to your dashboard. We explore deep leads datasets. How to blend datasets. Blending datasets allow you to combine information from standard and custom lead fields for comprehensive analysis. Let's see that how to combine leads, converted the deals, and how to combine the standardized fields and the customized fields. Let's go to SQL lab for the combining two tables. I have already write the query. The query is combining standardized fields and customized field. See this, this is the standard customized field values. These are standardized field values. So I need to combine two tables. The CRM underscore lead primary key is ID. In this table, the primary key is lead underscore ID. So I join both the two tables through the primary key. What the data is required, I have already selected and join two tables. Run the query. I got combination of two tables data is visible. So again same process, create the chart. After that, mention the chart name and the dataset name. It automatically, if you select your dashboard name, I mention combine standard field values and customized field value. This is my chart name. You need to, if you want to same dataset name, this is customized dataset name, and select your chart. My chart name is leads dashboard, and then automatically the chart is fetch into the leads dashboard. Again, I will explain one more example. I want to how many leads are converted to the deal. So I need to join what are the leads it may converted the deals. So definitely there is a primary key of a lead, that ID is the join the foreign key of a deal. See this, the primary key of a lead is ID. In the deal, this ID is a primary key. If you combine two tables, you need to identify the unique ID. See this, this is the lead ID is a foreign key in the deals, but this ID is primary key in the lead. So you need to join by using this ID. Like that, I have select the query. My query is how many leads are converted previous 1 year. So this is the data is converted from the leads to deals. Again, if you want this chart placed into required dashboard, you can do it. This is a way to understanding, create the charts as per your business rules. Datasets for leads including standard fields, customized fields, status history, and the products. We use these datasets to create detailed charts and dashboards. Blend datasets with SQL query to combine standards and customized fields for deeper insights. With these tools, you can analyze lead performance, track products interests, and monitoring lead conversion rates to refine your business strategies. We hope this video clarify be a builder of datasets leads, how they can help to create powerful business report in Bitrix CRM. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Have questions or ideas for future topics? Let you know in the comments. We do love to hear from you. Stay tuned for our next video where, where we will guide you on create customized dashboards for real-time business insights. Thank you.